Hello! Today I'm going to give you a tour of our fabulous kitchen and show you how we remodeled it. This was one of the first projects we did when we bought this place 10 years ago and one of my favorite projects. So let's get started. As with any good project, you start with the demolition. So we took the kitchen apart, the flooring out, all of the cabinets out. I reused some of the cabinets, the upper cabinets for the laundry room downstairs. And then our cabinets arrived from Kitchen Cabinet King. And I spent time at my house first putting them together. And then we transported them out to the property where we were putting the kitchen in. We tested a few different colors on our wall and ultimately went with this silver leaf gray. And then we painted everywhere where the cabinets would not be. Here are many of the cabinets awaiting their new home. Then we started putting up the wall cabinets first, and you'll see that we put a ledger across to make sure that it's nice and level and to help with the installation. First 3 done, and I'm already loving the look of my new kitchen. Once all the cabinets were up, we had to step back and take a look at our work. My mom and stepdad helped Clay and I install all the cabinets. Once all the cabinets were in place, then we installed the doors. Then the beautiful farmer sink that I've been waiting for arrived. We had to cut out the faux drawers to make room for the farmer sink. We used plywood that was the same thickness of our granite countertop that we were going to install to test the sink out. Once we knew it was all going to work out, then we hooked all of the cabinets, the lower cabinets, together using clips. We also had to shim in a couple places to make sure that it was all level. We hired someone to install the granite countertops. We purchased and installed our refrigerator. Next, we were waiting on our stove that we ordered, and here it is. Stove and dishwasher installed, and our beautiful kitchen is complete. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.